Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the only way to make pasta salad. First, cook 12 ounces of your favorite pasta, like rotini or penne, until it's perfectly al dente. Immediately rinse the cooked pasta under cold water to halt the cooking process and remove excess starch. This step is crucial for a firm, non-mushy texture. Ensure it's completely drained before moving on. Next, prepare your fresh ingredients. Dice about 1 1/2 cups of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes into bite-sized pieces. For the dressing, whisk together 1/2 cup of good quality olive oil with 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Incorporate 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt, and freshly ground black pepper for a vibrant flavor. Now it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled, drained pasta with the freshly chopped vegetables. Pour the homemade dressing evenly over the entire mixture. Gently toss everything until every piece of pasta and vegetable is beautifully coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours. Before serving, give your pasta salad a final gentle toss and garnish with fresh herbs like chopped parsley or basil for an extra pop of color and flavor. Taste a small portion and adjust any seasonings, adding more salt, pepper, or a splash of vinegar if desired. This ensures your salad is absolutely perfect. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other great deals. This delicious pasta salad is now ready to be enjoyed at your next gathering or as a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.